We are at Eldorado Canyon State Park. Here, I'll give you a view of what it looks like up there. I'll try to pan slow, but it's so exciting. There's not much to say about what we did. We just enjoyed it. So I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to let the B-roll speak for itself. At the end, there will be several pictures that I took of the place, just to give you an idea of what it really looked like. And one of them was so good I actually printed it out. So anyway, enjoy the B-roll, and I'll talk to you at the end. Boy, the view here is spectacular.
in the lake. Pardon?
It must be, yeah. Where else does the water come from?
Well, I meant to have it be so cold.
Well, I tell you folks, the weather here is absolutely phenomenal. Did you get that? Phenomenal. I tell you, there's very low humidity, and I'm guessing it's probably about 80 degrees, maybe 75 to 80 degrees. Just a tiny little breeze, and it is so comfortable as we sit here and eat our candy bars, listen to the water. I could just lay down on one of these tables and go to sleep. I guess that's why people love Colorado. If you get up in the mountains away from the city, this is one fantastic place. Well, yeah, Kathy just showed me her phone. It says 64 degrees, but you're not being able to update. So that was 64 degrees this morning when we got up.
You probably right.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's more than 64 degrees because we're comfortable in t-shirts. And so it's very, very, very nice. I wish you all were here to enjoy it with me. There's 4 big picnic tables here. We could get 4 on a side. That's 8 to a table. We could have 32 of you here. We could be having a great time. There's 3 barbecue things. Boy, wished you were here. Well, we're gonna finish our little snack and get back to it. I think we're about done. We've been here in a little over 2 hours. We're gonna just sit here and enjoy it for about a half hour. Then we're going back to the city with all the smog and the heat. It's been right around 100 degrees every day here. It has been blistering hot. Not much humidity, but man, has it been hot. You could fry eggs on the sidewalk in September in Denver. All right, guys. We'll close it out here in just a little bit. Well, here we are on our way out. We did a 360 video showing the road out. Actually took about 5 minutes to drive this. You're looking at it for about a minute and a half. But anyway, we enjoyed it. It's a beautiful place. The weather was great. The sky wasn't good for pictures, as you can see. It was so bright that it blew out. But anyway, we had a good time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, why, give me a thumbs up. You know, that really helps the algorithm. It tells YouTube that people are watching. So in the meantime, you keep your shutter clicking and your wheels turning, and get out and enjoy the great outdoors like we did. We love the trip. It was sad to have to go back to Denver with all the heat, but we had things to do, places to see, and people to talk to. Hey, enjoy. Bye now.